con nha vừa quả vừa hai con như là con bukan như quả nó bị soạn như quả nó vừa tấm năng cái hộp vừa hoa vì lại của nhân vùng giảm miếng tu nhưng tôm soạn còn tài liệu thái của con tài vừa quan tỏi nhau liệp gì con quan tỏi mai lóng quan mình quả con mà tôi là gì với cái ta trong hàng nghe cái ta nó vừa xe nặng laoอย่าง vừaทุกความต่อยอีหนึ่งเป็นจุดปุ่มโดยเลี้ยงหนังยาวตาเวลามีพวกลุงเสดายาวกว่าตายเป็นจันเตะก็กวนตาแฮถูว่ามีมาเตะแฮถูว่าไม่อยากหายมาเตะจะเก็บกวาดป่าไม่เสียหมาปัจจินโหแล้วไม่เสียตีนจะตายบทุนได้เห็นทางได้แต่ยี่ห้อทุกความต่อยมาทุเรศจีนหอนบัวต่อยเมียนบัวเสียท่านถอตัวเมียนเรียนจริงเลยเนี่ยโดนเขาก้อนซิมก้อนเซ็กจะตายไม่กว่าตัวเมียนแง่ก้อนเห็นยาเห็นจีอีน้องบัวเซนตาดูหนุ่มโยต้องจ่าเซนเสอีทอดทุกคู่หัวตาเป็นต้นหาตายเขาบัวตัวเมียนดูตัวเมียนอยู่มั่งไปหยัดจุ้งthì bây giờ chú chọn có chọn vô chọn hùng buôn của chúng tại hồ bốn năm chiên rồi bạn trên ta lấy gì hả con vừa chán gần năm chính cha gì buôn bây giờ tông cha với miền sẽ buôn miền thiên họ tề họ miền con qua sen họ suy họ bộ trái vừa họ tông cha với miền sẽ chịu chơi cho tuần chịu nhận tặng sang đua đồng phủ bé quân qua chạy tòa quân yên hoa lò toàn kia đầm nhau quang tòng những phú quang cơ thành công nhiệt chiến chúa giả dân toàn chim tu toàn nhà tài Nhật nó am mẹ đóng bao nhiêu à con quang Việt Trung miền mùa Nhật Trung chọn buôn đuổi chân chọn trên đuổi chết mà thế chim trai cả thế điều buôn Nhật thế Nhật Trung vừa con túc quang tỏa đi nhìn hoa giao nọ chỉ đi ở quân yên tài chi ở quân yên ở tuổi hình cái gì cho nên chỉ điều ta mi học quy ở quân yên quang chủ trả lồng công quang ta chỉ là công quang ta hiểu chính kít dân bèn con ta mà pin chỉ cố dân mà giúp ta chia nó nhận tập quân yên chính kít mai có nhiều ở trong phòng tay số quan tâm quy tôi hiểu mà cứ làm gì
khoi thì có vừa tây bung vừa tập quang tỏi miềnอยู่quy nhật trung chọn học quang có vừa hộp tỏi miền có vừa mà phim mà sốt trang nhậnเป็นเสcó vừa tộc cha vềเสtrang nhậnเป็นhồ xỉu nhuận phải châu xỉu lỗ chỉ yên nhật trung nhật chọn học quang thành kết có vừa hộp cũng vừaเป็นmiềnเป็นเสnhật trung chọn học quang thành kết có vừa chủ tề có vừa bèn hoài có vừa đại giang lưu mi kinh có vừa buôn có vừa kiệt có vừa bảo kiên cả hỏi buôn miền Namอย่างร้อยเทียบไปเนี่ยโดนผู้เมียนมาอย่างเย็นเยียวอันผู้เสียงเมียนเจ้าที่เจ้าเวทีเสียเขาเมื่อใจเย็นเป็นเสียจังจ้าเป็นโหเขาเมื่อเสี่ยวเย็นเป็นเจ้าเสี่ยวโลจีเองทั้งทิมจังหนักทั้งเตะตั้งเซนทั้งซุยตั้งเดียวตาเต่าผู้นี้ชิงกิ๊กเขาเมื่อยุงน้ำอย่างเขาเมื่อเห็นยุงเดียวอย่างว่ายุงน้ำชิงกิ๊กยุงเดียวแปลงอ่อนเสียงเจนทุกเจนเสียงเจนทุกเจนฝนใช้ที่เย็นตอนจินจ้าเวทีเสียเขาเมื่อจอดจิ้นเนี่ยผู้จอดยานเนี่ยเจียวหอกขีเส้นใช่หาเราเช้าส่วนปวดโมหิวชุดจริงเอ็นตัดเตาหลงชิงกิ๊กเวยทุ่งตายเนี่ยเมียนเช่นเช่เมียนหัวปล่อยโยกองเมื่อยมโกยมฟัดกองตัดเตาเมียนหัวเช่นเช่กองเมื่อหลวงปู่จิจาเมื่อบัดเซนเนี่ยจุ้งเมื่อตัดเตากองเมื่อเย็นโยจิตเฮอินหัวตัดเตามาฟิมาส่งอินหัวตัดเตาตุกุเยี่ยมเดาเมื่อเยี่ยถึงเตาโยฝาตายก็เมื่อถึงก้อนเตนี่อย่างจำแก้ถุงนี่ว่าจะตั้งแหล่งจริงหายเมื่อก็เมื่อเต่าคุณนะอีกคนน่าเสียแต่ก็เห็นตาการก็ว่าก่อนใจก็ว่าก่อนอยู่เต่าคุณน่าเสียเป็นตัวเนี่ยคุณออกได้เนี่ยอยู่เนี่ยเสียอยู่เต่าคุณเว้ยอย่างแต่เยี่ยแต่เว้ยอยู่เยอะเดี๋ยวว่าเด้หายลงเยี่ยวหายเดี๋ยวว่าหน้าแบนเต่าชีจาอยู่บัวชีจาเจียบัวอย่างเกมตาหนอมฝัดแต่ก็ว่าตาชิงจาอยู่เส้นแต่ก็ว่าอีทอยก็กับแจวเชียนก็ว่าเจ้าเป็นชิจาเจ้าเป็นก็ว่าเมียนกับเป็นเสอยู่ผู้เมียนเมื่อเชียนเสียอย่างกว่างเจนก็ว่าเป็นยังกง đồ hán cú công hán bế nhà thả cô nhà chủ khoảng kết chụp cô nhà cô ta chỗ có vừa hồn vừa sang miền tán nông yên rồi cái đủ nghe sẽ tại đó vừa thôn là miền mùa tài phần đi bèn on chuyển nhà có vừa bèn on tài chính kít chuyển bèn on tài thảo tòng chuyển thảo béo tài tàu chính kít sẽ tại đó vừa được vừa cái là cũng tại năm chiều thì đó vừa tài tàu phần đi chính kít diện dầu em hay có những trăm mà sẽ tại nó có vừa tôm đỏ có thể tại hết ra cùng vừa biển vừa triển chế đó vừa thì thôi tại những trình trăm hẳn vừa đó biển vừa yếm cô như tài yếm phát như tài cái xe lôi ở mai tài biển vừa triển chế vừa kia bị xử lý như được cùng triển khai vừa được cùng những điều xử lý cùng vừa triển khai biển nhiều cái gì như ở mai cái ô lưu như ở mai mà thì tại yếm cho mẹ quét như ở mai mà thì con tài thì yếm du học với con để thôn chuối sự tại những trình trăm là ô đâu hẳn thì có con mô mình phải coi có tài chém nhân hàng biển tài hám nô nó vừa phải trình trăm tài vừa trên tài chủ nó phải trên tài một vừa đồng hiếu hải tài có cái hồ vừa chúng ta phun tỏi miền trên tài này trình trăm một vừa có vừa tàu mình vừa triển chếเราหันทุกฝ่ายต่อยเราหันฝ่ายละก็หวานนะว่าก็เตะหวานเราต่อเนี่ยถ้าก้อนทุกชาติไหนจริงทั้งนอโอ้ก็กินเพื่อเรียนเหมือนเช่นเช่โอ้แต่ว่าเช่นจานหลวงปู่ปัดเส้นเนี่ยเพราะว่าตายอย่างเท้าตองจนอย่างเท้าเปี้ยวตายชีวิตจริงวันจนอย่างปู่บอกเช่นสิ้นตายมาพิจารณาจนมาซบเพราะว่าจีโหงว่าเท้าเปี้ยวเท้าตองแต่เท้ามาเสียเยอะอีน้อยเทียอยู่เพราะว่าปุ่นินมาเจอมาหนักแต่เท้าจริงจริงแต่เท้ามาพิจารณามาซบตาเจียแต่เต้ามาเสือแต่เต้าเย็นเย็นเฮ็ดตรงอะไรจริงช้ำโอ้
แรงจิ้มโอแรงจิ้มมันเลยเยอะแต่ว่าท่านจิตใจยี่ก้องมายี่ก้องว่าจิตใจก้องจังหวะบัวดัวบัวเมียนยี่เลยบัวตาไม้ได้เลยจะจิตใจน่าออกบัวจะค่อยจิ้มเจี๊ยจ้าหรือแต่ว่าจิตใจบัวบัวบัวมงเมียนบัวทิ้งซุยปุ่งก้องหรือมันสุดนะได้ทิ้งยี่อังโกได้แต่ว่าบัวเร็วอยู่ได้แต่ว่าสันอยู่ยัง younger brother เลยบุญบุญนินถึงอีบุญ close นะบุญยังเมียนยัง tradition ปุงเลยต่างกันบุญจีก่อนจันเยอะปุงเลยจริงช้ำโอแต่ว่าปุงหวังจังโหจริงจังจีก่อนนี่แล้วตุ๊กก้องแต่ว่าบุญอีปุงตัวเมียนนั่นส่วนไหนเดี๋ยวก้อง introduce บุญอีปุงตัวเมียนบุญอีปุงแต่ว่าเดี๋ยวบุญยัง Brian รุ่นยัง family อันชาวเดี๋ยวบุญโจกงเมียนอันชาวนักแบนออกอินหอยเดี๋ยวไปเหี่ยวนั่งคล้องลาดยี่แบนได้เป่าจุงล้อดนตรีบงวังอันชาเดี๋ยวว่าเหี่ยวน้ำไม้ดีเจคุณว่าแบนคุณโกมปานดีเจคุณหลุนปานแบบคุณโกมปานน่ะจู่เอาโจหลุนแต่โอมบ้องแกเอาโกะฮิตาเดี๋ยวว่าปุ่งจันจุงแบบว่าจุดเชิดแต่เช้าจะฝนละมอง same thing ตั้งเดี๋ยวว่าปุ่งจันแต่ว่าเมียนจุงบนหลุนแต่แบบเชิดแต่เช้าจะโหจะตายมวนนั่นใจนะตั้งถ้าตายอย่าแพ้ใครจนเจงน้ำมวนโอมว่าอินหอยมันจุ้งตุยหางั้นก็ตายกวางต่อยก็ตายแจวก็ตายฝนละมงห้างเราไม่ยังเบี้ยวชุนยันกันได้สิแต่ถ้าตายอยู่ห้องสวยจริงเลยว่าจะช่วยแต่ exercise แต่โอ I was just saying I'm going to conclude the traditional Mian tea ceremony before we start the American ceremony. I just want to introduce the band is Hong Lan Band. The DJ is David Cha. So I was saying we have the band for the older folks, we have the DJ for the younger generations, but I like all of us to come out and enjoy. Whether we play the Mian song for the older folks, I would like for the younger generation to come out and enjoy as well. And I told the older, as I'm consider myself an older generation, when they play the DJ, I'm gonna come out and try to enjoy as well. So we are all here to witness these two beautiful couples, to make this day special for them. No one should be rushing home. We all should enjoy, come out and dance. We all been cooped up for the last 2 years. That's why we all kind of gained weight. Those of you that didn't gain any weight, kudos to you. You guys did a great job losing weight. But most of us, I think we all gained weight. So it's time to come out. When you actually dance, that's my way of exercise therapy. I can actually lose weight by dancing. I love to dance. So I hope all of you will come out to dance. Okay, so I wanted to check and make sure that our bridal party will be ready. Before they come in, I want to make sure the center aisle is open. If you're sitting in the center aisle, can you guys scoot in a little bit? Clear the aisles because that's where they will be coming up. And earlier I forgot to announce, if you have trash at your table, if you're done eating the snacks or the food that you have, raise your hand. We will have helpers and cleaners coming around to grab those dirty. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, friends and family. Welcome to this special day. We're gathered today on this day to witness and celebrate the marriage of Thon and Jessica. We come together not to mark the start of a relationship, but to acknowledge and strengthen a bond that already exists. This ceremony is a public affirmation of that bond, and as their dearest family and friends, it is our honor and privilege to stand as witness to this event. To all of their guests, they are happy to share this moment with you. They have known most of you for many years. You watched them grow up, you went to school with them, or you work with them. Because you are the ones who have supported them, known them so well, it is only fitting that you are the ones to share this once-in-a-lifetime moment with them. Thon and Jessica would like to recognize their parents on this occasion. They have offered their profound gratitude for all the love and care their parents have shown in raising them. The unconditional gifts of love and support they have continually offered have inspired them to become who they are today. Without you, this day would not be possible. So con tay miên hòa fan tay miên hòa mẫn hai con gì Jessica chào Thon ỏi lành xin hào mày bữa tôm miên y bung tôm miên mai mày bữa tôm miên trên ta mai nè bữa im hoang mai bữa tôm miên hai tham hai cồn nè bữa cô tài no nè bữa giống hai lò bật tỏi mai nằm yếm yun mai nằm hồi nếu mà thông niệm thảo mình bôi im hoang thông niệm thảo bôi im bung tôm miên thô lãnh trình thảo im bung tôm miên hiếu thô hiếu đao thăm nửa bùa in hoi sẽ tại máy năm hoiแต่thành được bất kết hônเลยอะไรทิ้งเต่าไม่บัวเมียนมัวเจียเต่าแต่ห้างจะจ้างยี่ก้องเนาะnếu mà lãnh trình thành được tỏi nếu mà bông yếu nếu mà miên mùa nếu mà nhẹ tỏi cho công miên như thế thôi lãnh trình với bữa xiết tàu cho với chẳng hồ cho chỉ một khuôn hoi tay hồ nếu với năm hoi. Okay, so this message to Jessica and Tom. Seeing that no moment is without meaning, we ask that you take this marriage as beginning of your lives together. May you be filled by each other's love and friendship. May you be overjoyed by the promise you are about to make and the life together you have created. Remember that in marriage, in every marriage, there are good times and bad, times of joy and times of sorrow. Marriage is a journey, a time of adventure and excitement, enhanced by the love, trust, dedication, and faith you share in one another. May the promises you make to one another today be lived out to the end of your lives. Tomorrow can bring you the greatest of joys, but today is the day it all begins. So Thon, I'd like to focus your eyes on Jessica and repeat after me.
Comfort
To
you.
comfort you
To comfort you
in time of distress,
in time of distress.
encourage you
Encourage you
to achieve all of your
to
goals,
achieve all of your goals.
laugh with you,
Laugh with you.
and cry with you,
Cry with you.
grow with you
Grow with you
in mind
in mind
and in spirit,
and in spirit.
always be open
Always be open
and honest with you,
and honest with you.
and cherish you
Cherish you
for as long
for as long
as we both shall live.
as we both shall live.
Okay, now Jessica, I want you to focus your eyes on Ton and repeat after me. I, Jessica, take you, Ton, to be my wedded husband, to give you, in the presence of these witnesses, my promise to stay by your side in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, as well as through the good times, through the good times,
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
as well as through the good times
Through the good times
and the bad.
and the bad,
I promise
I promise
to love you
to love you
without reservation,
without reservation,
comfort you
comfort you
in times of distress,
in time of distress,
encourage you
encourage you
to achieve all of your goals,
to achieve all of your goals,
laugh with you
laugh with you,
and cry with you,
and cry with you,
grow with you
grow with you,
in mind
in mind
and in spirit,
and in spirit.
always be open
Always be open
and honest with you,
and honest with you,
and will cherish you
and will cherish you
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
So we just heard them exchange their vows, and now we're gonna exchange their rings. So having this love in your heart, go ahead and keep on holding. You have chosen to seal your vows by exchanging rings. From the earliest times, the circle has been a sign of completeness. The rings that you have chosen to wear have neither beginning or an end, much like your love for one another. They are a symbol of the words that you speak today. May these rings be from the day forward your most treasured adornment, and may the love they symbolize be your most precious possession. As you wear these rings, they may be constant reminders of these glad promises you are making today. So Thon, can we grab the ring? So, as you place this ring on Jessica's finger, repeat after me. It's okay. It's always
For better and for worse.
yes. All right. So take this ring and place it, as you place on Jessica's finger, repeat after me. I give you this ring as a symbol. Somebody hold it. Of my love and faithfulness to you. Okay, they want to repeat it because you guys didn't hear him promise. I give you this ring as a symbol.
I give you this ring as a symbol
Of my love and faithfulness to you.
of my love and faithfulness to you.
Okay, place the ring on her finger. It fits. All right, now Jessica, it's your turn. Okay, as you place the ring on Thon's finger, repeat after me. I give you this ring as a symbol
I give you this ring as a symbol
of my love and faithfulness to you.
as my love and faithfulness to you.
Good job. They are so nervous. We only practiced once. Ton and Jessica, from this moment forward, you will never be alone. You will carry with you the love of another person, giving you a completeness and renewed lightness. May your life together be immersed in love and excitement. May you strive to enrich each other in every possible way. And may you work to bring the peace you find to this world. Having pledged their fidelity to one another, to love, to honor, and to cherish one another in the presence of this gathering, and by the authority vested in me by the Constitution and the laws of this state, it is my honor to now pronounce you husband and wife. Son, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and families, it is my honor to be the first to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Saleen. Woohoo! May you both have everlasting love. Okay, so congratulations to Ton and Jessica. Now that I ask everyone to please remain seated as the wedding party exit the room, and I'm going to, after the exit.
Nhân mình xin cha lô Dùng tay ô, dùng tay ta nái thanh ta Tai chip xiang lang xiang hôn Dùng tay thanh tang, tai chip xiang miền Xiang lang xiang hôn lệ lôi Chia chia tay tay Chia hầm đôi tay trái Xiang lang xiang hôn nhẹ đôi Cặp chiếc là xiang thái còi Xin chào đôi tay hầu xiang miền Cuộc cùng mê mê gió bay chân cát Các dịp xiang 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 lang xiang quán nhé khúc Lên khúc đòi trăng xiang sao sự kiện ta đào yang ngày vàng lao xin cha biển thao một chân chia tao lại áo cha qua kinh sông lan sao sông quá đi nói lòng chia các chân tỏi liễu đến yên các tỏi năm tiền yên liễu tháo tao cùng mẹ kinh su lẹ tình sáng cao su nàng cao cao ở đi ở vào là sao khai nhà màเราเบียร์ผิวสีว่าแม่ลมสีโอหายกางเอาสีโอได้อย่าเป็นตัวไม้ยังเดียดกัน
แต่ว่าคนไหนจริงออกจริงแต่ว่าไอ้เนี่ยกองบัวกินหวงออกดาเมาแต่คุณจริงจัง